Apprenez en écoutant simplement, pour bien parler anglais. Bonjour à tous.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Ils peuvent également rechercher.
They can also look up. They can also look up. They can also look up.
Va chercher du pain.
Go and get some bread. Go and get some bread. Go and get some bread.
Écoute attentivement.
Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
Suis-je content de te voir?
Am I glad to see you? Am I glad to see you? Am I glad to see you?
Juste un moment.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment.
Tu ne dis pas.
You don't say. You don't say. You don't say.
Ok, faites en deux.
Okay, make it two. Okay, make it two. Okay, make it two.
Tout va bien?
Everything okay? Everything okay? Everything okay?
Bon appétit.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Chez toi ou chez moi?
Your place or mine? Your place or mine? Your place or mine?
Si cela ne te dérange pas.
If you don't mind. If you don't mind. If you don't mind.
Batte-le.
Beat it. Beat it. Beat it.
Asseyez-vous à table.
Sit down at the table. Sit down at the table. Sit down at the table.
Achète du pain.
Buy bread. Buy bread. Buy bread.
Avoir un verre d'eau.
Have a glass of water. Have a glass of water. Have a glass of water.
Ne parle pas trop.
Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much.
Pardonne juste à tout le monde.
Just forgive everybody. Just forgive everybody. Just forgive everybody.
J'ai passé un bon moment.
I had a nice time. I had a nice time. I had a nice time.
Je ne le sais pas.
Don't I know it? Don't I know it? Don't I know it?
Qu'il en soit ainsi.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
Rendez-vous demain.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Garde la tête haute.
Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up.
J'ai vu pire.
I've seen worse. I've seen worse. I've seen worse.
Certainement pas.
Certainly not. Certainly not. Certainly not.
Décidez-vous.
Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Make up your mind.
Bon chagrin.
Good grief. Good grief. Good grief.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, See you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.